so gross looking. Pull and disconnect your arm from your body. EvanEraTV.com. What's good? Welcome back to the 2020 Halloween special of How to Magic. Oh, magic! I am your host, Evan Era. Today I'm showing you 5 impossible magic pranks for Halloween.
If you're ready, hit that thumbs up button and let's go.
This is the magic sliced thumb prank. Check it out. My finger looks like it is cut into 3 different pieces. It's so gross looking. But this is just an illusion created with Halloween makeup. Stay tuned for the end of the video. I'm gonna teach you how to do this. Okay, a really cool card trick here. Okay. So I'm going to go through the cards like this, and you say stop whenever you want to, okay?
Okay.
So whenever you feel it, say stop. Ready?
Stop.
Right there? Okay. Take a look at the card. Whoop.
Did you see it?
No.
Did you see it?
Show it to the camera. You got it?
Yeah, I got
Okay.
it.
Put it back anywhere in the deck that you'd like. I won't look. Perfect. Okay, we got the card lost inside there, right? You remember the card?
Yes.
You remember the card? Okay. Watch. We're gonna take them like this. I'm gonna give them a little shuffle. Look. We take the cards. Look.
Okay.
Look. This big pumpkin right there. Grab the big pumpkin.
Grab it.
Yeah. You remember your card, right? I think it actually went
No.
inside. Here, hold it.
Are you kidding?
Oh, hold the pumpkin. Look, I got a carving tool right here.
Are you kidding me? Are you serious? He's joking. There's no way this is in the pumpkin. This is a real pumpkin. Is this real right now?
Yeah, watch.
There's no way.
Hold it.
There's no way.
Is it in there?
There's a card in there.
Here, look.
Are you kidding me right now? Are you kidding?
You remember your card?
Cool. Yes, can I say it? Can I say it? Queen of Diamonds. I'm speechless. That is a real pumpkin.
Happy Halloween. Okay, cool Halloween magic prank to show you. Watch my arm just magically disconnects from my body just like that. Stay tuned for the end of the video. I'll show you how to do it yourself. Okay, I have a really cool Halloween magic trick to show you. I have some candy down in this bucket right here. So watch. Let's see this happen. One piece of candy. Watch. Just starts to slowly.
Whoa! That's cool.
Right.
That's a trick and a treat. You know, get it?
All right, here's how they're done. I'm about to reveal the secrets. The secrets to these tricks are extremely simple, and I'll teach you how they're done right now. Okay, here is how you set up the magic sliced thumb prank. It looks so legit. All you need is some of this right here. This is called nose and scar wax. You have to find it in your appropriate skin tone. Mine is this light brown color. And then you're gonna take something like this. This is actually a modeling clay tool. And you're just gonna start building this up onto your hand. Build a little nub here on the back of your finger, on the front tip right here. You use your clay tool to smooth out the sculpting wax. And you can also use your fingers to build it on and mold it as well. And you're just going to create this illusion like this. And if you look, when my fingers are extended, you can see my thumb looks a lot thicker than the rest of the fingers. So the best way to present it is with your fingers curled up just like this. This will stay in place as long as you need it to. So you can set the prank up at the beginning of the night, then show off your Halloween prank all night long while freaking out your friends and family. Give this video a thumbs up for Halloween. Okay, here is the secret to the magic flying bat prank. So I've got this inflatable body here, and what it's attached to is actually right up in the air. you see there's a drone hovering right above, and it's attached to this body with a piece of monofilament, like a piece of fishing line. So as we bring it up, you can see the body will begin to float. Same thing we did with the back. So as you can hear, the drone is kind of loud. You want to make sure you put a long enough piece of monofilament so it's high enough up in the air so that the person you're trying to prank doesn't hear it. Then all you have to do is get good at flying a drone, and then you're set to deploy your flying creature prank at a moment's notice. Take your bat or your dummy or your bird, whatever you attach to it. I first saw Tom Mabe do this prank, and I've always wanted to try it. So grab your drone and take flight for a fun Halloween prank. The first thing you're going to need to set up the card in the pumpkin trick is obviously a pumpkin. Now here's what you're gonna do. You're gonna take a pumpkin carving tool and you're gonna turn the pumpkin around to the back side. You're gonna find a crease in the pumpkin. We're gonna cut a slit right down that crease, just big enough to slide our playing card inside. Now you're gonna need 2 duplicate cards for this. One of the cards is going to be loaded inside the pumpkin before the trick starts. Gonna slide it inside just like this. Now you'll probably need to use your pumpkin carving tool to kind of continue the push inside here, just like that. And now your card is effectively inside the pumpkin. Now if you clean this up and you kind of press the pumpkin back together, it is almost completely invisible. So we've got this prepped. We're gonna sit it back on the porch, and then all we have to do is force the duplicate card on them, lose it back into the deck, and spray the cards at the pumpkin. Then cut off the top, open it up, and reveal that the card has magically penetrated the pumpkin. And that is how you do the magic card to the pumpkin trick. Okay, here is the secret of the magic missing limb prank. So you're gonna need 3 basic components for this. A severed arm like this, you can get it at most any Halloween shop, or stay tuned for the end of the video. I'm gonna give this away to 1 lucky comment. You're going to need an old shirt that you don't mind cutting up, and a pair of scissors. Here's the prep before the trick starts. You're going to take one of the arms, one of the sleeves of the shirt, and cut it off right at the seam. Now once you've removed the sleeve of the shirt, your next step is to close up this end right here. You're just gonna take a piece of tape and run along the inside so that this isn't like hanging open. It just looks kind of closed up. Now we're going to take our sleeve portion and slide the fake arm inside. And this way the shirt design matches the shirt that we're wearing instead of this random design that's on it. Run the hand out the front of the sleeve, just like that. And now we're going to close up the end of the sleeve, also using tape. So once you have the shirt closed up, you're gonna take your other arm and hide it inside, and then just hold the fake arm in place, walk by people, and let it fall. Okay, here is how you do the magic floating candy trick. So you're going to need a boxed candy like this, but before the trick starts, you're going to take it, open up the box, and remove the candy from inside. And then you're going to close the box back up, empty, and seal it back together with some double-sided tape or some glue. We need to be empty because in order to make it float, it needs to be very light. Now here's what we're gonna use to create the illusion of it floating. Now this is pantyhose. This is like a nylon material. So we're going to take the thread from the nylon. You can see it. This is like a bunch of strands, and then you're gonna separate it down to just 1 thread. And it's best to get these in black, but if you can only find them in tan like this, you can use a marker and color this in. So once you have the end of the thread, a good idea is to take a piece of tape and stick the thread to the end of it just like this, and you can kind of gather the thread up just to lock it in place. Now you can continue pulling the thread out from the stocking until you have enough to attach to your candy box, and then all you have to do is drape it over your hand and pull it up with the other hand, and it will create the illusion of the candy just magically floating. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. If you liked it, hit the thumbs up button and share it with somebody you think might like it as well. Also stay tuned for more Halloween episodes of How to Magic coming soon. Be sure to check out our playlist of How to Magic episodes right up there. And it is giveaway time. I'm giving away all the magic props from this video. All you have to do to win, hit the thumbs up on the video and leave a comment in the comment section down below. Today's keyword is Halloween. And it's time to announce the giveaway winners from our last How to Magic video. The winners are magically appearing on the screen right here. Congratulations to our winners. Be sure to send your full mailing address to this email address on the screen right here to claim your prize. Until next time, remember that anything is possible as long as you stay positive, work hard, and laugh at life. Happy Halloween.